guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you the secret of healthy lean legs for some exercises at home, and you can get the very healthy muscular slim and lean legs. So these exercises are for everyone. इसमें कोई restriction नहीं है, बड़े के लिए, छोटे के लिए, लेडीज जेंट्स इसे सभी कर सकते हैं. There is no jumping, no equipment, no gym and no open space, so you can do these exercises at home only. जो प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज होती हैं वो इसको अवॉइड करें, मे बी वो अपनी डॉक्टर्स की हेल्थ सलाह के साथ ही इन एक्सरसाइजेस को करें. बट जो डिलीवरी के बाद आफ्टर हैविंग अ बेबी जो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन इन द लेग्स एरिया होता है वो वेरी पुअर हो जाता है. दैट्स वाई जो लेग्स होती हैं आफ्टर डिलीवरी लेडीज की काफी मोटी हो जाती हैं, क्योंकि उनमें मसल्स जो होते हैं वो मर जाते हैं, ऑलमोस्ट चले जाते हैं. सो वो लेडीज अगर इस एक्सरसाइजेस को ट्राई करेंगी तो दे कैन गेट द हेल्दी लीन मसल लेग्स, क्योंकि ये ब्लड सर्कुलेशन को बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करता है और हमारे जो मसल मास को है लेग्स में उनको वापस लेके आता है. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वर्कआउट.
First of all guys, you need to do your basic warm-up routine or stretching. After doing my stretching, I am doing the very first exercise, the squats. We have to do it for 30 repetitions or 1 minute. After 10 to 15 squats, maybe you start feeling the burning sensation in the inner thigh area of our legs. So it's quite normal. Take 10 to 20 seconds of break in between the every exercise as per your need. The second exercise we are going to do is same squat position with pulse. So again these we are doing for 30 repetition or 1 minute. Breathe properly, always inhalation and exhalation, don't forget that. And again 10 seconds of break in another exercise. Third exercise, we are going to do the kick. We are going to do the front kick and the side kick, switching on to one leg to another. Doing it for 30 repetition each leg or for 1 minute. If it's little bit hard for you to do it for 1 minute, you can take a break of 10 seconds. Try to take your leg as high as you can. Fourth exercise, we are going to do laying down and doing the crisscross with both of the legs. Bring your head little bit up for making this exercise more effective. With this action, maybe you can feel the little bit burning sensation in the abdominal area also, which is very good. That's mean it works. This exercise, guys, very effective for inner thigh area, for burning the inner thigh fat. So switching on to fifth exercise is lay down sidewise leg pulses. You can change the point of your foot as you are comfortable. It depends which is more comfortable for you. Pointed or flattened, both direction of the foot are very effective. Switching on to another side. Guys, always for 30 repetition each legs or 1 minute. Moving on to sixth exercise, we are going to do the side leg extension. Guys, this is little bit hard for doing it for 1 minute or 30 repetition. So you can do it for 20 repetition for the initial days, and then as you are comfortable with this exercise, you can increase your limits. Change the side and do it with another leg too. Concentrate to your respiration. Inhale and exhale. Generally, we forgot the inhalation and exhalation during the exercise. Always pay attention to your backbone. Don't bend it too much inwards during doing this exercise. Seventh and the last exercise, guys, we are going to do a chair hold with wall. You can do it for 20, 30 or 40 seconds and maximum 1 minute. I'm going to do it for 30 or 40 seconds maybe. Guys, with this exercise, this chair hold will burn your legs and you will feel the shivering in your legs in the initial days. Then you will be comfortable with exercise and feel the burn.
So this was the very simple 7 exercises to have healthy, lean, toned and muscular legs. So if you guys like the videos, then don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Hit the bell icon for all the notification and leave me a comment for any query. Guys, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, always on Wishlist with Nidhi. Till then, bye bye, take care.